This is Neil Taylor. Say hello to the...
Alright guys, how do you think my barnet looks?
This is Ashley Williams,
Hi.
skipper. We all know who he is.
Hi, mate.
Premier League winner.
Right, mate.
Andy King. Stuff dreams are made of. Just finished day's training. Heading back to the hotel now. Another one in the bank. All good to go. Ready for Thursday. Me and the boy Cots.
With my lots of hair, boy. Little trims.
Artwork on his body. Who's there today? Joe Ledley. What night that was? 1-0 away, Cyprus. Legends. Yep. Running man. Heading down to the team area now. See what the boys are up to. Joe Ledley. This is Di.
Hi, Hal.
Best kit man in the world. This is understudy. One of the best sports scientists you'll find around. And he's an assistant manager, just to throw that one in. It's your medical room, likes of me, Joe Ledley, Joe Allen, got fit. Apparently that means stairs. Not sure what that means. Against one of the world's best there. And he came out on top. Love that. It's a bit of ping pong here. Good boy, Wardy. Shot, Benny boy. Enjoy that, Wardy.
Do you know what? I really enjoyed it. Can't have a video without him in it. Or a picture.
Jamie Lang, that's the winner.
Nice.
3 Ben Davises. And 1 John Williams.
Got my face.
What was it like filming Made in Chelsea?
Yeah, very good, mate.
Whereabouts in Chelsea do you live?
Just by Stamford Bridge.
Okay. Man, main man. This is our Spanish masseuse, Jaime.
Oh my gosh.